So you're gonna go head up, and I think I'm gonna have you go to the left.
Should I put this down?
Keep it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna watch you because I just want to see where the light hits you there versus, yeah, that's perfect. That's very much a Julia balcony. Okay, so I'm gonna have you right about here so we can cover the beautiful no smoking sign. So yep, exactly how you are is perfect. And then looking towards like the greenery there. Yeah, yep, kind of out. That looks amazing. And then look down towards your hands. And then go ahead and just take like 2 steps forward. Yep. Amazing. And then you can turn towards me. So your stance, just kind of like bring one foot in front and really like lean it and then bring the knee in. Yep. Yeah, go acorn hands. That looks amazing. Then kind of look down that way. Good. And then, so I love the tilt. Bring your shoulders back up a little. Yep, right there. And then lean towards me a little. If you feel your abs working, like that's exactly it. And then look down that way. And then go ahead and grab for the veil. Yeah. Nice. You got the leading with the elbow down.
You learn most when you are there on the job, and this is the next best thing, Shadow a Pro. Shadow a Pro is behind the scenes look at over 21 weddings and engagement sessions, real ones, not curated ones, not necessarily even my best, most visually appealing ones. They are real, they are raw, they're exactly what I do on any given wedding day. I also have videos there for you that are direct instruction on things like lighting the reception details, lighting the toasts, and so much more. Now I can't just have a course without giving you a bazillion bonuses. I'm giving you my very favorite pre-shoot client questionnaire. I'm showing you my family starter list. There's a posing cheat sheet. There's a second photographer guide. There's even a posing phrase sheet that will help you prompt your clients to get authentic, real emotions instead of solely staged ones. You are getting so much content, so many more bonuses that you're probably seeing on the screen right now, in addition to the actual meaty content that Shadow Pro provides. Everything as real and raw as it gets. I hope to see you inside Shadow Pro.
So drop the veil, and then what you're gonna do is say, like, kind of play piano with your fingers, like kind of going up one side.
On both?
On both, but asymmetrical.
Okay.
So let one go up a little bit more than the other. Perfect. You can smile for some, and then go down. Let me get one more of you here with the villa behind. Yeah, right there is good. Just so I can hide that railing, drives me crazy. Yes, that looks perfect. And then, yeah, just kind of let your hands come down. And I love like a little kind of flick in the wrist. Yep. Nice. Love it. And then kind of look over that way, smiling. And then back here again. Awesome. And then pick up your dress a little so you can see your shoes. And like just take a little step forward. Love that. Yeah, right there. Perfect. And then just put one foot forward, one foot down. Yep. And you could lift the dress a little bit. I'm just getting the shoes. Maybe won't, you know what? Go like this. Yeah. And then that way, well, we still see toes, but that's okay.
We can get shoe pictures the day of it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, this looks so good. Awesome. Love that. Just looking towards me. You can pull your hands. I like where they are. Just elbow in a little. Yeah, right there. Maybe a little bit more. That's perfect. Cute. And then looking back at your dress. Love that stance. This is so pretty. Got everything in here. And then look back at me. Good, big smile. Cute. And then look forward, and you're not going to step. Yep, just like that. And then you can kind of, it looks like you're stepping.
Okay.
Yeah. It's much easier when I can just be like, yeah, step. And then look behind you again. That looks great. Stay right there. And then up at me again. Awesome. Okay, so I think you're gonna be right where you are.
Okay.
Yeah. That looks awesome. Yeah, and just keep it up and just kind of, this we can play with a little bit. So you can kind of like move a little bit. Yeah, this is super cute. Love that. And then look towards me. Nice. And then do a couple, just walk towards me. But walk towards me, you actually just did it like with that crisscross. You learned. Cute. Look left, look right, look up. Oh, fall down. Yes. Oh my gosh, this looks so, so good. Love that. So all the twinkle lights are like all around you. It looks so pretty. Turn towards me a little bit and do like a folded arms. Yeah, kind of like sweet and yeah. Love that. And then look away, like up towards the lights. That's awesome. Ooh, you know what'd be cute? Like put both your hands behind, like you're, yeah. Yeah, like you're shy, but not really. That's awesome. Good. That looks fantastic. And I know it's not sunset, but I can artificial intelligence a sky here like you wouldn't believe. And then take a baby step to your right. Just want to separate you from it a little. There we go. And then there's like, it's kind of far out here. Just let it push it forward. Yes, there we go. That's a better fluff. Good. And then you can look towards me. And then look down like you're about to pick it up. So like reach down for it. Yep, and then actually pick it up because we're good. Oh, love it. Is there any spot we didn't hit that you had in mind? We obviously
maybe one on the church doors.
Oh yeah. We also will do some obviously the day of. It's not like we ignore you because you'll also have like your flowers and things like that. But yes, church doors.
I don't think that door's going to stay open.
It's okay, as long as it is right where it is, actually is great. Then look towards your right. Yep. And then back towards me if you can. Oh my God, I love it. Stage just like that looks absolutely epic. And then chin up a bunch.